Okay, what's up, you guys? This is the Investors Club YouTube channel. This is our first video. Just wanted to show you guys the channel here, brand new. Um, I want to start this channel because I just recently started my dividend growth portfolio, and I kind of wanted to make a channel to kind of document for myself as it goes along over the years. And I also wanted to I think making these videos will help me learn, maybe along the way help somebody else learn, and maybe inspire somebody else to start their dividend investing. So I'll go over to my portfolio. I'll show you my holdings. I just recently started this portfolio. I think the first amount of money I put into Robinhood would have been in March. Whenever we got the first stimulus check. Yep, I took the $1,200, I put it in here. I was actually an idiot with investing, and so I thought I'd be a day trader. I kept putting in money and trying to day trade, but I think I lost overall like $700 day trading. So definitely wouldn't recommend it. And so when I was day trading, it's like, ah, shit, I'm done with this, right? So I started looking into other ways of investing, and what piqued my interest was dividend growth investing, where you can make some cash flow. And the cash flow is really what got me interested. Instead of trying to make trades and the stress, I wanted something I could set it, buy good companies, and forget it. I wouldn't have to, check the markets every second to see if I needed to sell out of my position. Really didn't work with my job. I'm full time every day. I obviously can't trade, so I would sneak away and try to get some trades in, and obviously not good for my job. So, what I really like, well, I'll show you my holdings here: Apple, AT&T. This is Pembina Oil. Pembina, what's it called? Let's see here. It's called a Pembina, but it is a pipeline from Canada, and it has a nice dividend yield of 8.48. It's a really nice price right now. On the 1 year, I just bought this the other day. That's why I kind of want to check into it. It was at $40, and I bought in at like $22.12, as you can see. And I'd recommend you guys, do your own due diligence. But I think this stock is a pretty upside stock. I actually found it from an article in Seeking Alpha. That's where I do a lot of stuff on my portfolio, just the news and everything. It's really nice. But anyways, let's go to my other stocks. I'll just show you guys. Bank of Montreal, Carnival Cruise Lines. I need to get rid of Carnival Cruise Lines. They don't have a dividend right now. I was kind of speculative on it, and that was one of my first stocks I bought. Pretty good upside potential, but not any cash flow right now. Need to maybe switch it out. Kind of the same thing with Wells Fargo, but I'm going to hold Wells Fargo. They do have a dividend, but I think I got like $3 out of my 38 shares, so need to get rid of that. Or I'm not going to get rid of Wells Fargo. I'm going to hold that, along with Delta, same thing. Store Capital, Simon Property Group, McDonald's, 3M, JP Morgan, and LTC Properties is what I have right now. And I plan to continue to buy into these companies for sure, but I also have my other lists. Allstate, Procter & Gamble, Verizon, Coke, Duke Energy, kind of some things I'm looking into to maybe get into later on. I'm actually going to take you guys to my track your dividends portfolio, just to kind of show you guys the estimate of my dividends this year. So here my portfolio, as you can see, is at 20,000. That's because I included my Roth IRA in here. My Roth IRA, I hold 23 shares of IVV. So I just opened that this year also in March. So all this has been started since March. And my Roth IRA is kind of where I started. And it just kind of kept going after that. So as you can see, I'm down on a lot of things. Apple down. I was up big on Apple. I actually bought these before the split. I think I was up like $600 at one point. But as a long-term, dividend growth investor, definitely gonna hold that. I should have bought more. Didn't have the funds to buy any more when it hit that 103 range a while ago, or 108, excuse me. Up a little bit of Bank on Montreal, down on Carnival, down on Delta, up nice on my Roth IRA. That's nice. Down on JP Morgan, up decent on McDonald's. 3M up a little bit. PBA down. SBG down. Store Capital down 4 cents. 40 cents, excuse me. AT&T I'm down. Wells Fargo I'm down. Wells Fargo is my biggest thing that I'm down in. I was actually in Boeing last week. I sold out of Boeing. I was down like $250. So, but I think Boeing does have some upside. The reason why I'm down in so many things right now is, as you can see, like the last pretty much all of September. Well, not all of September, but here at September 1st, I was at one of my highest points in my portfolio. 13,700. 13,450 is what I have in here right now. Obviously, it's not that right now. It's at 12,780. But I also want to say again, I lost $700 and some trying to day trade like a real hairball. But anyways, basically all of September, we've been on a slight decline. And then September 19th, she just fell out of bed. But that has a lot to do with, obviously the volatility from the pandemic, election year, just a lot of other factors, obviously. People are just keep getting scared of the pandemic, which I pray that the pandemic subsides soon. And I think after the pandemic goes away, I think most of my stocks will pop off pretty good. But, I wanted to show you guys my estimated dividends. So right now it's at 613 with 3% dividend yield. I hope to bump my dividend yield up a little bit. I think right now it's not bad, but I have a couple different stocks that are obviously holding me back. CCL, Delta, holding me back. Wells Fargo is holding me back. But as you can see, $613 passively. Pretty good, I think, for just starting. I just started in March. Really excited to see where this thing can go. But Apple, we got about $20 in annual income. Bank of Montreal, 53. Carnival Cruise Lines, 0. Delta, 0. Hopefully Delta, I'm holding Delta, so I hope they come back with their dividend within the next 2 to 3 years, hopefully even sooner. IVV, which is just an S&P 500 index from iShares, 111. JP Morgan, 21. McDonald's, 20. 3M, 18. PBA, this is why I bought the stock the other day, $149 passive income, but it's also I think it's a safe stock to own. I'm going to dive a little bit more on the stock analysis of each of these in future videos, so if you guys want to stick around and maybe check out some more videos, hopefully I'll get better at explaining myself and explaining things. I'm going to do stock analysis and different things like that, so if you like the video, like and subscribe, just throwing that out there. SBG, we got $72, and AT&T, 104, Store Capital, 28, and Wells Fargo, 14. So those are my holdings. Just wanted to, for my first video, kind of throw that out there and just kind of see where it goes from here. Like I said, if you like the video, like and subscribe. It's just kind of going to be a journey and see where this thing can go over the years. And I think YouTube can help me, learn more. Like doing videos, if I do a stock analysis, I'll have to, do my own due diligence and really look into stocks. I look into stocks pretty good right now, but I think with making videos and trying to explain things, I'll do a little better. And so, first video. I'm a little nervous, if you can't tell. Never really spoke on a microphone or anything. This is my first YouTube video, and yeah, I guess we're gonna end there while I keep rambling. But like I said, like and subscribe if you like the video, and I'm hoping to put out at least 3 videos a week. I'd like to do it every day, but we'll see how that works out. But anyways, guys, thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you in the next video.